Thank you for taking the time to join this demo. Today, we're proud to introduce Vada, an analytics platform designed to support organizations across multiple industries with fast, scalable, and AI-driven decision-making. While Vada is built to be flexible enough for a wide range of business domains, in this video, we'll focus specifically on its applications in e-commerce. E-commerce businesses operate in a highly dynamic environment which includes multiple ad platforms, marketplaces, inventory systems, and external spreadsheets. Vada unifies these fragmented data sources into a single intelligence layer, a single source of truth, which helps teams move from reactive reporting to proactive growth strategy. In this demo, we'll walk through how Vada's reporting engine, dashboards, templates, and AI assistant empower e-commerce operators to increase revenue, reduce waste, and optimize performance. So first of all, before building reports, users need to connect their data sources. Vada supports integrations with advertising platforms such as Meta Ads, Google Ads, TikTok Ads, marketplaces like TikTok Shop and Shopee, POS systems such as Pancake and Yum, and external data via Google Sheets or Excel CSV files. For e-commerce teams, this means all revenue, cost, and operational signals can be consolidated in one environment, which eliminates manual exports and fragmented spreadsheets. Once connected, users can create custom reports instantly. Vada processes complex filters and queries in just under 10 seconds, which enable near real-time decision-making, critical in e-commerce where campaign performance can shift hourly and even in minutes. So to even accelerate onboarding, Vada includes ready-made templates that are tailored specifically for e-commerce workflows. These templates cover profit and loss reporting, advertising cost tracking, marketplace performance trends, and channel efficiency analysis. Instead of starting from scratch, teams can immediately adopt industry-aligned frameworks. For e-commerce organizations, this reduces analytical frictions and ensures decision-making is grounded in standardized metrics. Here, team can export these reports to Excel, Google Sheets, or they can continue analysis directly inside Vada by choosing Generate a Report and choose a data source to begin, and when confirmed, the report is there. So this will preserve flexibility without sacrificing structure. And this bridges existing workflows with advanced analytics, which enable faster adoption and consistent performance measurements. So while individual reports provide insights, dashboards create alignment. Dashboard feature allow users to assemble multiple reports into a unified workspace aligned with strategic objectives, whether that's growth, cost control, or operational efficiency. For e-commerce leadership, dashboard act as a shared source of truth. Marketing, finance, and operation teams see the same performance indicators in real time, as long as they have the permission to the data, reducing misalignment and decision latency. So say we want to add a block, we would choose an existing report and we would choose the metric that we want to show on this dashboard. And when create blocks, it appears here and you can move it around, let's say in the center here. This dashboard can even be organized into tabs. So say I have the business performance tab and the order processing tab here. These tabs would represent different business functions such as acquisition, retention, fulfillment, or even profitability. This structure mirrors how e-commerce businesses actually operate, turning analytics into a management layer rather than a passive reporting tool. Dashboard can also be shared or exported using these, making them ideal for stakeholder communication and executive reporting. Finally, we introduce Vee, Our AI-powered analytics assistant, which is the intelligence layer that sits on top. Vee is designed to function as a strategic thinking partner, not just a chatbot. It translates raw data into business understanding. Instead of forcing teams to manually search through reports, Vee allows users to ask natural questions and immediately receive structured data-backed answers. So for e-commerce teams, this means faster decisions, clearer reasoning, and fewer blind spots. So Vee can explain metrics, it interprets performance trends, identifies hidden patterns, and suggests data-driven actions, not just descriptive insights, but operational recommendations aligned with business goals that is defined by the businesses. So for example, here I ask Vee, show me an overview analysis of revenue and expenses along with suggestions for Shopee in June of 2025. And here, we use data to generate the highlights of Shopee's revenue and expenses overview for June of 2025 weekly. And it also suggests the actions or how can I optimize this even more. Beyond answering questions, Vee actively guides analytical thinking. So it suggests, highlights anomalies, and proposes areas that's worth investigating. In other words, it acts as an embedded analytics consultant that scales across the organization. However, Vee operates within strict permission boundaries. It only analyzes data the user is authorized to access, ensuring governance and compliance. Every answer is tied to traceable reports. Each insight includes direct links to underlying data. So here it said details can be found at this link. So when I click, it is exactly the part where it's used to generate the information from. So users can validate the numbers themselves. This combination of AI reasoning and verifiable analytics build trust, which is a key requirement for enterprise adoption. Users are not asked to just blindly accept AI output, they are empowered to audit and confirm every conclusion. Where traditional analytics workflow often involve multiple steps such as starting with exporting data, cleaning spreadsheets, cleaning data, building dashboards, interpreting gens, and debating conclusions. Vee collapsed that entire pipeline into a conversational interface that produces structured insight in just minutes. This dramatically increases organizational productivity. Business teams would move faster, analysts spend less time on repetitive reporting and more time on strategic modeling. Leadership would gain immediate visibility into performance drivers. So over time, Vada wants Vee to become a knowledge layer that accumulates organizational intelligence. It understands recurring business questions, common performance patterns, and operational priorities. This turns analytics from a passive reporting function into an active growth engine. So in short, Vee is not just an assistant, it is an AI copilot for e-commerce decision making. So Vada is more than just a reporting platform. It is an intelligence infrastructure built to power modern e-commerce growth. So by unifying data, accelerating insight, and embedding AI-driven guidance, Vada helps businesses scale with precision, efficiency, and confidence. We believe Vada represents a strong foundation for the next generation of e-commerce analytics, and we look forward to partnering with you to bring that vision to scale. Thank you for listening.